Welcome back. Today we're diving into a full walkthrough of the 2025 Caterpillar D12 Bulldozer, covering everything from its exterior design and build, through cabin ergonomics and operator experience, into performance highlights, and finally an overview of price and value. Let's start with the exterior. On the outside, the D12 presents a massive, rugged, no-compromise build. Its body is painted Caterpillar yellow with heavy-duty steel undercarriage and reinforced tracks designed for high speed under heavy loads. You'll notice large front blade capacity, robust push arms and hydraulic cylinders mounted front center, and the elevated sprocket design which helps raise the final drives out of the work environment, a feature synonymous with Caterpillar's large dozer lineup. According to Caterpillar's specification pages, their large dozers use elevated sprockets to improve track life and undercarriage lifespan. The exterior also features heavy ripper attachments at the rear, large cooling grills, LED work lights for visibility, and a high-visibility cabin with full wraparound windows. From a styling perspective, the D12's exterior feels industrial and commanding, thick structures, minimal decorative frills, everything built for durability and performance. The machine's size alone gives it a dominating presence. You can see it looming over other equipment when on job site. While precise figures for 2025 haven't all been published, third-party video commentary argues the 2025 D12 weighs in at around 229,800 pounds, 104,000 kilograms, or more, drawing comparisons to the previous D11 model. Transitioning to the cabin and interior. Inside the operator's cabin of the D12 you'll find a modern layout designed for comfort, productivity and control. The seating is high back, cushioned, and climate-controlled. The view is expansive thanks to the large windows and low front hood line. The instrument cluster is digital, with large screens for machine readouts, engine status, hydraulics, load metrics, alerts integrated alongside physical joysticks, push buttons and levers for main function control. Advanced options include GPS-based grade control, real-time monitoring systems, payload data capture and automated dozing cycles, features that show Caterpillar is not just building brute-strength machines, but data-enabled workhorses. One overview of the 2025 D12 mentions, advanced hydraulic systems in a luxurious high-tech cabin, as key differentiators. Noise suppression, vibration isolation and elevated operator ergonomics are also emphasized, meaning less fatigue on long shifts. Visibility is enhanced with rear and side view cameras, LED lighting and optional remote operation autopilot modes on some job sites. What this translates to is an interior that is both comfortable for the operator and highly capable in terms of productivity. Whether you are grading, ripping, or carrying loads, the control systems help you keep consistent output, reduce errors and minimize rework. The practical benefit: less downtime, better material moved per hour, and better ROI on equipment investment. Turning next to performance, this is where the 2025 D12 earns its Monster Machine tag. While Caterpillar has not formally published every spec for the 2025 model, some detail remains speculative or based on early reviews. Multiple sources cite figures in the 1,000+ horsepower range. For example, one video describes the 2025 D12 as 1,200+ HP engine power, in a review of the machine. Strength, torque and weight go hand in hand here. The machine's push capacity is immense, its blade and ripper attachments can move huge volumes, and the hydraulics are engineered for continuous heavy-duty work. The elevated sprockets and modular track systems reduce wear and maintenance cost whilst keeping power transfer efficient. In job site trials you'll see the D12 tackling steep terrain, heavy rock, and continuous production cycles with less overheating and fewer service stops compared to older models. Fuel efficiency and emissions compliance are part of the performance story too. Modern Caterpillar dozers increasingly incorporate monitoring systems that optimize engine load, adapt the hydraulic output and reduce idling, all of which translate to lower fuel usage per ton moved. The D12 carries these traits forward, making it suitable for heavy civil works, mining operations and large-scale earthmoving. With such performance, the machine becomes more than just brute force, it becomes a production tool capable of moving vast material volumes while helping keep operating cost in check. Now for arguably the most asked question: what's the price? For 2025 models of heavy equipment at this scale, we're looking at multi-million-dollar figures. Based on video analyses and industry commentary, the 2025 Caterpillar D12 is being valued at around $2.5 million, or higher in some regions. Some reports even cite closer to $4 million depending on specification, attachments and optional tech. It's important to understand that the base machine cost is just part of the overall investment. Attachments, transport, duties, training, service contracts and job site adaptations add significantly. In markets like Pakistan, where one should also account for import duties, shipping, local currency impact and operational infrastructure, maintenance facilities, track supply, etc. When evaluating value, you want to consider total cost of ownership, machine hours, fuel consumption, operator skill set, maintenance cycle and material pushed per hour. If the D12 truly enables a higher output rate compared to smaller dozers, the investment pays off more quickly on large contracts or mines. On the flip side, if the job site doesn't require that full capacity, a smaller machine may make more sense. In sum, the 2025 Caterpillar D12 combines commanding exterior design with cutting-edge operator cabin technology, high-performance hydraulics and engine power, and a price tag that positions it at the top tier of heavy earth-moving equipment. If your business runs large-scale projects and needs maximum production from its dozer fleet, this machine deserves serious consideration. On the other hand, aligning machine size to job site requirements remains key. Thanks for watching. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more heavy equipment reviews. Feel free to drop any questions in the comments and I'll see you in the next video.